Excuse me.
Sorry, officer.
It's not officer anyway, it's agent.
Agent.
I'm Agent K.
Agent W. All right. We're with the CIA, the FBI, and the IOU. Intergalactic Organization of the Unknown. There will be no laughing, Ronnie.
We know who you are and we know where you live.
And you all have to go to sleep. Let's go. Feet down, Ronnie. Robbie.
We've been asked by the President of the United States to help determine the terroristic threat of chemical attacks on our health and on the environment.
We're handing out a sheet with some of the things you might need to research in order to help your fellow citizens. However, the people in the room are the only ones who will know your assignments. Therefore, we recommend that you take notes. Your teachers will not know the nature of this assignment.
It is important that you understand that your teachers will not know your assignment. They will not get a copy of what we just handed you. They will only be able to help you complete your tasks, but they will not know anything about your topic. However, they are commanded by the President of the United States to answer any questions you ask of them to the best of their abilities.
Chemical agents that might be used by terrorists range from warfare agents to toxic chemicals commonly used in industry. Remember that chemicals can be solids, liquids, or gases. Remember that other things. Chemicals can be poisonous, suffocating, flammable, explosive, corrosive, or radioactive, or they may have no harmful effect on humans or the environment at all.
That is written on what we gave you in the middle, underneath where it says your assignment with the bold stuff. The chemical elements are the same elements that are on your periodic table of elements. Even though they aren't listed on your sheets, you might want to keep in mind that this includes metals, non-metals, semiconductors, halogens, inert noble gases, lanthanides, and actinides.
That's much better.
Thank you. I've had some practice.
Yes,
They're hard words.
Yes, they are.
Do you have any questions on what we've told you so far?
You have a question? You have a question? Anthony, question. Tina?
No.
Mark?
Once more.
What? Done. You have a question?
No.
Okay then, listen. You need to listen. Here's your assignment. You're going to prepare a presentation to show to the President of the United States about chemical elements that might be used by terrorists to attack our health and our environment. It is a major issue. As a class, you have to choose and to agree on whether to work as an individual, a partner, or a group. As you can see on the sheet, there are 5 areas on which you need to focus on. Being prepared and prevention. Detection and surveillance. What's surveillance mean?
Like video cameras and whatnot.
So what are they doing? What are those cameras doing? Watching.
Yes, spying and watching. Diagnosis and characteristics of chemical agents. What's characteristics? Traits.
Excellent word. Thank you.
What they look like, smell like.
Whether they burn or explode.
Injuries and antidotes. Does anybody know what an antidote is?
It's pure. Like a poison, a cure or something.
There's a cure for the
For
poison.
poison, yes.
Very good.
Response and decontamination.
And in addition to the 5 things Agent W mentioned, from preparedness to prevention and to response and I messed up there. Decontamination.
Absolutely.
You'll have to report on the following.
Always brings me down.
4 things. 1, chemical agents already known to be used as weaponry. 2, the availability of chemical agents to potential terrorists. How easy is it to get these chemicals? Number 3, chemical agents likely to cause major sickness or death. And number 4, chemical agents for which special actions could allow the public to be prepared for health emergencies ahead of time. Are there things we can do to prepare the public before the terrorist attack?
Finally, you have to let the President know 3 more security issues about these chemicals. How the chemicals get released and in what quantities are they dangerous? Which common chemicals have the potential to be turned into or used as chemical weapons? Agent K. We gave great examples.
Common chemical, bleach, cleaning your bathroom. If I mix the chemicals with the other cleaning fluids in my bathroom, I create a toxic, poisonous cloud that could kill me. Is bleach an element? How come? You're correct, how come?
Because, they wouldn't give it to you, I don't know.
Well, what is bleach? Does anybody know what bleach is?
Yeah, quite your clothes.
What's the whole name of bleach? What's its chemical name?
What does Clorox sound like?
Chlorine.
Chlorine.
Okay.
Chlorine. You got it.
Chlorine.
Everybody on it?
Okay.
Understand it? Last one. What chemicals, if mixed with other readily available materials, have the potential to create a health or environmental threat that can be used by terrorists?
Remember, the people in this room are the only ones you're not taking this seriously, and the world depends on you. The President of the United States needs your help. And the people in this room are the only ones who know your assignment. Your teachers will not know the nature of your assignment. However, your teachers are commanded by the President to answer any questions you ask of them to the best of their ability. They may answer anything, and if they don't know, they will show you where to find it. Thank you.
You need to be brought into this.
You take it as, sir, what it is. Sir.
You may decide how you're going to present your research to the President. The rest of the sheet we give you lists presentation ideas. You are not limited to these ideas. However, whether you work as an individual, pairs, or groups, your final presentation will have to be coordinated between the whole class. The President only wants to see one presentation. One. Before we leave, do you guys have any questions?
Please take a look at this list of presentation options, and if there are any words or ideas on there that you do not understand, ask us now.